Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of churros, which is famous in Spain and Portugal. A choux pastry is deep fried and served with hot chocolate. This tastes best when served with hot chocolate. Let's see how to prepare this yummy churros. For the choux pastry, take 1 cup of water in a pan. Add in 1 tablespoon of sugar. In goes 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add in 50 grams of butter. Heat all the ingredients and cook it until the butter mix boils. Butter is melted and the water is boiling. Add in 3/4 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Mix it immediately so that no lumps form. Keep on mixing continuously and you'll get this soft dough. You have to cook it in low flame. Switch off the flame once the dough reaches this texture. I have transferred the pastry dough in a mixing bowl and cooling it slightly. Now add in 1 egg at a time and mix it nicely with the spatula. Totally we need 3 eggs for this recipe. Once the egg is combined well into the dough, add the second egg. Add the eggs one by one and mix it nicely. I have added 3 eggs and you'll get very loose consistency dough like this. The measurement of all the ingredients to make choux pastry is important. I'm going to make cinnamon flavored sugar. For that, take 1/3 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I have taken coarsely powdered sugar. Mix it nicely and the cinnamon sugar is ready now. Take the pastry dough in a piping bag. I have placed a straw nozzle inside the piping bag. Next, I am going to deep fry the churros. Heat enough sunflower oil in a kadai. Once oil is hot, pipe in the pastry dough and slice it with a spoon like this. Cook the churros in medium flame until it turns golden brown color. The churros will puff up once we deep fry. Churros has turned golden brown color and now I am removing it from the oil. I am frying the second batch now. One important thing is that you have to consume churros when it is hot, or else it will be soggy. Once we deep fry the churros, immediately dust it with the cinnamon sugar. You can serve churros dusted with cinnamon sugar, but it tastes best when you serve it with hot chocolate. I have already shared the recipe of hot chocolate and I'll leave the link in the description below. Do try this delicious churros and share me the feedback. If you try this recipe, do not forget to share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.